A robot just replaced a $100,000 factory arm, and it costs less than a used Toyota Corolla. Today, we're counting down the 10 best humanoid robots you can actually buy right now, and by the end of this video, we have a robot that costs less than a MacBook Pro, a machine that is terrifying the entire automation industry. At number 10, we have the Unitree H1. Here's the thing, the H1 is not cheap. Depending on the configuration, this robot ranges from around $99,000 all the way up to $129,000 for the full-stack H1-2 configuration with upgraded arms and expanded dexterity systems. But the reason companies are paying six figures for this robot is simple: speed. The H1 became famous after demonstrating one of the fastest, full-size humanoid walking speeds ever recorded. The robot can move at a near sprinting pace while maintaining dynamic balance across highly uneven terrain. Unlike most experimental humanoids that wobble around like unstable prototypes and fall down, like we've seen countless times in viral videos, the H1 moves with frightening confidence. It stands roughly 180 centimeters tall, meaning it can operate in environments that are already designed for humans. That sounds simple, but it matters enormously. Factories, warehouses, doors, staircases, elevators, and tools are all built around human dimensions. A robot that fits these environments instantly becomes incredibly practical. But locomotion is only half the story. The H1's upper body control is where things become even more serious. The upgraded 7 degrees of freedom arm allows for more fluid manipulation of industrial objects, tools, containers, and equipment. When you combine it with LiDAR sensors, depth cameras, and AI-assisted movement predictions, the H1 can dynamically adapt to moving environments instead of following rigid factory scripts. Traditional industrial robots are trapped inside cages because they repeat pre-programmed movements with almost zero flexibility. But humanoids like the H1 are different. They are mobile. They can walk between stations, inspect systems, carry components, and eventually operate tools designed for humans. This means one humanoid could replace multiple fixed-function machines, and that's exactly what the corporate world is paying attention to. If you think a $100,000 robot is expensive, wait until you see what happens later in the list when the price crashes below $5,000. If you're enjoying deep dives into the future of AI, robotics, and infrastructure, subscribe to Nexus Dynamics because the next 5 years are going to look completely unreal. At number 9, we have the AgiBot A2. Right beside the H1 sits another heavyweight in the enterprise humanoid market. We're talking about the AgiBot A2. Starting at roughly $100,000, the A2 was designed less like a flashy demo robot and more like an actual workforce platform, and that distinction matters a lot. Most humanoid companies focus on viral clips. AgiBot focuses on deployment. The A2 service model is already being tested in reception environments, customer-facing operations, tech support, and industrial handling. On the other hand, the more advanced A2 industrial variants push beyond the $150,000 price mark, depending on the configuration. What makes the A2 Industrial interesting is not the raw athleticism, but the reliability. This robot was built for repetitive operation inside a controlled environment where consistency matters more than flash demonstrations. It uses a multi-camera vision system combined with large language model integration to understand instructions and navigate spaces while interacting with humans naturally. Hotels, hospitals, corporate offices, warehouses, and even airports are places where people desperately want automation but still need something that physically operates in a human environment. That is where humanoids become economically disruptive, because once a machine can move through existing infrastructure without rebuilding the environment around it, automation becomes dramatically easier. That's the hidden advantage. You don't redesign the building, you redesign the worker itself. Talking about dramatic change, at number 8, we have the Unitree H2. Priced at around $29,900, this robot makes the whole world panic. For years, the assumption was that full-size humanoid robots would remain luxury items, costing well above $100,000. That price barrier protected Western robotic firms and kept mass deployment far away. But Unitree has been surprising everyone, and they just shattered the floor with this one. The H2 stands at roughly 182 centimeters tall, making it full human scale. But instead of pricing it like a research-only platform, they launched it at the cost of a compact sedan. That completely changes the conversation. Now companies aren't asking if they can afford one, they are asking how they can deploy one in the real world. The H2 uses upgraded locomotion systems, full body balance control, and expanded AI integration for industrial navigation. But here's the thing that really matters. Unitree's manufacturing strategy is crazy. Unlike many robotic firms that are building in tiny batches, Unitree has already mastered scale hardware production through its quadruped robot business, which has been selling like hotcakes. The company dominated the consumer and developer market with thousands of units already shipped. That manufacturing infrastructure now feeds directly into humanoid production too. This scale changes everything, because once robotics manufacturing starts behaving more like the automotive industry instead of a luxury workshop, prices collapse and the technology becomes widely available. That's exactly what we are seeing now. At number 7, the Kepler Forerunner K2 is truly the most underrated robot, because almost no one talks about it. The K2 model is priced between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the configuration. This robot is quietly becoming one of the most popular industrial humanoids in China because it focuses on one thing extremely well: factory labor. The K2 has already been deployed in automotive manufacturing trials, including work connected to Shanghai industrial lines. Instead of replacing entire assembly plants overnight, these robots are entering factories gradually. They are working with material handling, component transfer, inspection work, and repetitive logistics movement. Overall, they are taking over the real-world automation that is happening right now. They didn't achieve this through one giant revolution, but through hundreds of tiny, boring tasks quietly disappearing. The K2 is designed around endurance and cost efficiency rather than flashy internet demonstrations. The robot doesn't need to backflip and save the company millions of dollars, it just needs to reliably move parts for 18 hours a day. At number 6, the 1X Neo is where things get quite uncomfortable. This robot introduced one of the most aggressive business models in the robotics industry. Priced at roughly $20,000 outright, here's the deal. You can buy this robot for just $499 per month. Yes, you get a humanoid robot subscription, and once you understand why that matters, the entire industry changes how it looks at the Neo. The Neo focuses heavily on home assistance and indoor operations. Backed heavily by OpenAI development, it generated massive attention around the platform, because the company is betting on something huge. They are the first to build a successful consumer humanoid that may not be purchased outright, but rented. The subscription model completely lowers the psychological barrier for adoption. Most people cannot justify spending $20,000 on a robot, but at $499 a month, it suddenly feels closer to a standard car payment, or even less. That changes consumer behavior entirely. Just imagine how innovative this robot is going to be for elderly people who need help retrieving objects or managing their medication schedules. It will not only save lives, but it will save people from isolation and depression too. The Neo focuses on tasks like household assistance, object retrieval, mobility support, and long-term domestic interaction. The long-term vision here is obvious: a humanoid assistant that physically operates inside human homes. Would you buy one of these? Let us know in the comments down below. And before we move forward to one of the smartest, quirkiest, and possibly strongest robots that can pull a 1,400-kilogram car with just its 38-kilogram body weight, subscribe to Nexus Dynamics. At the end of the video, we're going to talk about a robot that costs less than a MacBook Pro, so stay tuned. At number 5, the Unitree H1 starts at just a $16,000 price tag, and that price tag is exactly what makes it special. This robot completely broke expectations, because before the H1, many companies still believed that capable humanoids would remain enterprise-only machines for years or even decades to come. Then, Unitree released a compact humanoid with advanced locomotion, dexterous movement, and developer flexibility at a price point that simply didn't exist before. The G1 became the gold standard for entry-level humanoid development. It can run, it can do backflips, it can handle basic tasks, and it pushes the absolute limits of what a compact frame can do. Universities, startups, robotics labs, and independent developers could suddenly afford real humanoid hardware without spending six figures. That massively expands global experimentation. The G1 supports deep developer customization, AI integration, motion learning, and robotic research applications across countless environments. The verdict? This platform is here to stay. At number 4, the Unitree G1 EGU is another variant of the same platform. It is priced between $21,600 and $28,000, depending on the hardware configuration. This version features more advanced dexterous hands to handle precise picking, and it also comes with expanded computing packages and enhanced processing capabilities using NVIDIA's Jetson hardware. This is where humanoid robots become dangerous because hardware is no longer the bottleneck. The bottleneck is intelligence. The companies that solve robotic reasoning, object understanding, and adaptive movement first will dominate, and Unitree is positioning itself to do exactly that. But what if you want something even cheaper? Something that will cost you less than $15,000 while delivering a proven track record for research? Introducing the Robotis OP3 at number 3. The OP3 is priced between $11,969 and $14,299. This is less than most new cars on the market. It has been around longer than many of the new viral humanoids, but it still remains critically important because of one thing: education. This robot became a favorite platform for robotics competitions, university research, AI experiments, and humanoid locomotion studies worldwide. Unlike massive industrial alternatives, the open-source architecture of the OP3 gives researchers a relatively accessible humanoid platform for testing algorithms, balancing systems, navigation, and machine learning behavior. And that is the role that matters more than people realize, because the engineers building tomorrow's humanoid workforce often learn robotics on systems exactly like this. The OP3 helped train the current generation of roboticists who are now building the massive machines replacing manual labor itself. This is the industrial cycle happening right in front of us. Do you think robots will replace human labor in the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments down below. And now, we move forward to the much-awaited price tag of a robot that costs around $4,900, literally less than a used Toyota Corolla. At number 2, Unitree dropped another banger and released the R1 and R1 Air. This is the moment where humanoid robotics stopped feeling elite and started feeling disturbingly accessible, because this is no longer research-only pricing. The R1 platform heavily focuses on open SDK experimentation, hybrid mobility, and high-speed robotics movement. But the most interesting feature is its mobility philosophy. Instead of relying entirely on traditional walking, Unitree has experimented with modular movement systems, including wheeled assemblies, rollerblades, and skating-based locomotion. Honestly, that might be the smartest direction ever. Humanoid walking is incredibly energy expensive. Wheels are dramatically more efficient on a flat surface. The ideal layout is a hybrid: roll when possible, walk when necessary. For the price of one luxury enterprise robot, companies could theoretically deploy entire fleets of R1-style machines. 30 cheap machines create immense operational redundancy, and that is a mechanic that changes project math completely. Maybe you're not ready for it yet, but our number one robot costs less than a MacBook Pro. Coming in at a jaw-dropping $1,370, the Noetix Bumi completely broke the internet. Yes, it is a functioning, walking bipedal humanoid robot for less than many flagship smartphones available on the market. And the reason for that is not because the Bumi is the most advanced robot on the list. It is because it has permanently shattered the psychological floor of robotics forever. The moment the global market witnessed a functional bipedal platform selling below $1,500 in the United States, the entire macroeconomic landscape shifted. Now investors, developers, manufacturers, and governments all understand something terrifying. Humanoid robots are entering the exact same cost collapse curve that turned drones, smartphones, and other consumer electronics into mass-produced global commodities. Once mass manufacturing scales further, prices are going to fall even harder. The Bumi focuses on lightweight locomotion, simple interaction, and low-cost robotics accessibility. It is not replacing industrial labor tomorrow, but it is moving in that exact direction. While this robot might not be the end game, it is the undeniable beginning of a massive new era. Which company wins when humanoid hardware becomes as common and affordable as a smartphone? And which humanoid would you like to buy as your very first one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want deep dives into the technologies reshaping civilizations in real life, subscribe to Nexus Dynamics right now.